Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut a cigar. Now, relatively straightforward and simple task, but very important, and that is cutting one cigar properly. There is a right and wrong way to do it, but it's not to say that it should be particularly overcomplicated. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting two different cigars. First is this beautiful Bolivar Belicoso Fino. This is a what would effectively be referred to as a torpedo in American lingo, or as a perfecta, as the Cubans would call it, which basically means that there is this tapered head that allows you to get a slightly more controlled draw. Depending on where you cut this, will determine how much flow comes through the cigar and how either tight or loose the draw is. Up next, we have this beautiful Casa 1910 cigar. It's a beautiful premium cigar from Mexico. This is the first brand of luxury, 100% grown in Mexico tobacco. Starting to do a little bit of blending now, and you can find these in the United States, unlike the Cubans. But this has a standard head, and I'll show you how to cut that as well. So in today's video, I'm going to use this ST DuPont double guillotine cutter. This is available, of course, online at kirbyallison.com. What I like about this is it also doubles as a cigar stand, so you can always have a trusty holder for your cigar. It's an absolutely great marriage of functionalities in a cigar cutter, and this is one of my favorites that I keep in my briefcase. And it's a double guillotine, which means that it's got a blade on both sides. Whenever it comes to cutting your cigar, that is really the type of cutter that you want. It is going to ensure that you get an equal cut from both sides. What I also like about this is it's sturdy. It's relatively wide, right? You're able to hold it firmly and securely in your hand. You don't have to worry about this fumbling, which is the easiest way to ruin a cut. So first, with this beautiful Bolivar, right, as you can see, it has this tapered head. You've got an additional piece of tobacco, right, that is rolled to kind of close this up. You really want to see where that is, because that is going to effectively determine how far you can cut into the cigar. You don't want to cut past that, because this piece of tobacco or wrapper is what effectively holds the wrapper together and prevents it from unraveling. So you can cut up to just before that, but never past. So here we are going to cut this cigar, and I'm going to start just kind of cutting halfway in the middle between here and where the edge of that wrapper is. I'm going to open my cigar cutter. I'm going to hold this in one hand. And what I like to do is always place the bottom side of the cigar firmly on that blade, and then slowly take the blade down, right? Just to make sure that you are cutting it where you want to. Now I'm providing just moderate pressure here. I'm going to rotate that a little bit just to get it started. And then once it's really seated in there, cut it in one quick swoop. As you can see, that was pretty good. And here you go, nice clean cut. The most important thing is that this wrapper here, again, that holds all of this together, hasn't really been disturbed. So there you go, perfect cut, ready to be smoked. Now next up is a traditional cigar. As you can see, this too has that piece of tobacco wrapper here. And so you just want to identify where that is, right? I'm going to open my cutter. And same thing, it's a little bit trickier with a cigar like this because you're cutting not as far into it. And so again, I'm going to see where it measures, rotate a little bit just to cut into that, just a little bit to get that blade kind of seated in there. And then once I'm kind of secure, I'm going to, in one quick action, cut this. There you go. So nice cut. And there you go. That's how you cut a cigar. Not to be overly complicated, but nevertheless important. And having a good cigar cutter, double guillotine with a sharp blade is really the most important thing you can do to ensure that you can get a nice clean cut every single time you go to cut your cigar. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. If you're just visiting this channel for the first time, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and head over to KirbyAllison.com, where you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care, luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories for the well-dressed, like this sovereign grade necktie, pocket squares, braces, socks, cigar accoutrement, and so much more. Thanks for watching.